Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. So today this is our second lecture on our Python basic to advanced course. So in previous lecture we discussed a little bit about while and Python. So you all are well familiar with that this is an era of artificial intelligence and Python is a quite popular programming language and language of artificial intelligence also. Apart from that, it is used for web development, software development, in mathematics, it can be used on server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows, and it can be used to handle big data. And there are here a lot more applications we could use Python. Okay, and we also discussed about our course overview. So basically, this is our first section, which is Python basics. Here in this second lecture, we will discuss Python basics. Okay, and we also setting up Python. So here is my sorry. Here you could find what is version in your computer. So 3.30. This is the latest one. Hey, okay, and we download from this python.org website. So I hope you also setting up your Python. Okay. So right now we are gonna start our Python basics. Okay. In Python basics, we are gonna start from variables. So first of all, what are variables? So okay, so right now, please here this is Python Python basics. Okay, Python basics, and in Python basics, we are gonna start our first section, which is Python vari Python variable. Okay, okay, Python variables. Python variables. Okay. So, what are variables? Variables are container for storing data values. Okay, basically containers. Python has no command for declaring a variable. So, a variable is created at the moment you first assign a value to it. Like here, what is this? Uh, hello, hello. This is a string. Okay, what is this? This is 5. This is integer. Okay, now we are gonna containerize this like x equal to hello means x have the value of hello. Okay, y equal to 5. Now 5 stored in y. So x and y here are variables and hello and 5 are here data type. So convert this into code. Okay, here this is the code block. Okay, so x equal to hello and y equal to 5, and we're gonna print this. We have to print x and y. Okay, hello and 5. These are here x and y are container, x and y are variables in which hello and 5 are stored. Okay, I hope you understand about variables. Okay, how could we check the value, check the type of x and y? So we have a container x y. We don't know the type of x y. X have string, x have boolean, x have integer. We don't know. So in Python, we have a function type x. Oh, okay, Python, no Python, print. Okay, okay, print. Okay, string str. So x is a container, x is a variable that has string, which is hello. Okay, now there is a question: could we change this? Okay, so this is called casting. Okay, right now I have to write this uh, in this markdown. C-A-S-T-O. Okay, casting. So this is casting now we have another variable c. Okay, now we will convert this above value uh, string. This is 3. You know, 3 is the integer, and now we we are going to convert these three into string. Okay, uh, now we are going to check type of z. z. This is string. Basically, three is integer, but string is a casting. Now, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, then you could this can be done by using casting. Okay, okay. So here we discuss casting, how we could get data type of any variable. So now we are more towards our another concept, which is which is quotes. Okay, single or double quotes. Okay, single or double quotes. Okay. So strings variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. So string variables are declared by either single or double quote. Here above hello is declared by double quotes. Okay, these are double quotes. These are double quotes, and this is single quote. Okay, so we could declare any variable by this quote. Okay, string basically. So like that, f is f is f is Ali. Okay, Ali with single quote. Then y is Ahmed. We are gonna declare this by double quote. So now print type type of x and type of y. Both are strings. Okay, we could declare a string by single or double quote. Okay, so now move on towards our another concept, which is which is case sensitive. Case case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive. Okay, now variables names are case sensitive. How? Okay, okay. A 6. Okay, okay. A 6. No, here. Ali. Now A and A. Both are A, but both have different values. First, A, small a has 6, which is integer. Second, capital A. Capital A has Ali, which is a string. So Python variables are case sensitive. So A will not overwrite A. Large capital A not overwrite small a. So this is functionality present in Python but not in C++. So here we are gonna print our A and A. So both have both have different basics and Ali. So I hope you understand this. This is basic Python variables. Okay, Python variables can have a short name or may descriptive names. Descriptive name like age, total numbers, total students. Okay, total students in a class. Okay, so these all are descriptive name, and above above x, y and z. These are all are short names. So that there are different rules. Okay, there are different rules, so we will discuss these later in our later tutorials. So there are multiple rules, and you could also check them on Python website. So there you could easily find different rules. of declaring any variable. Okay, there are legal variable names and some illegal variable names. You could not start any variable from any number like 2x is illegal. Okay, my hyphen name, my hyphen name is illegal. Okay, and my name space, my space name, these are illegal. Okay, we're gonna store to Ali, Ali, no, 2x. This is a not a valid. Okay, this is illegal. My name is illegal, and my space name also illegal. Okay, these all are illegal, and they are legal also. Like my name, legal. My name, legal. Okay, then my underscore also illegal. So they are different rules for name and my underscore name. Name is not defined. Okay, my name. Sorry, my name. Ali, Ali. Okay. These are some variable names that are legal and some are illegal. Now we are moved towards our next concept about variables, which is assigning multi-variables. Okay, assign multiple values. Assign multiple values. Okay, so multiple value means like x, y, z. Okay, like Ali, Ahmed, student. So these are multiple values assigning to multiple variable. So now we're gonna print this x, y, sorry, y and z. Ali Ahmed student. So this 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 is these are many values to multiple variable. So about we declared one value to one variable. Now multiple values to multiple variables. So here is another example about one value to multiple variables like x, y, z, and one value Ali. Okay, x, y, z all have Ali. Ali. Okay, this is another Ali. Okay, print x, y, z, and another print x a. Okay, a and I into x, y, and z. I hope you understand this concept. Why? Why? Because these are comma separated. X X has a, Y has a L, and Z has L. So now I'm gonna change this into this to store Ali in X, Y, and Z. Now change this comma with equal to yes. Now now X, Y. Here X has Ali, Y has Ali, and then let's go. Okay, this Ali. So this one value to multiple variables. Okay, so this is uh this is our next concept, which was assigning multiple values. So okay, I hope you all understand what I am going to teach you. Okay, what is I am teaching you. Okay, please test yourself, apply all these concepts, practice these all things before moving towards our third lectures. Okay.